I will remain for a moment, and I will invite Kate Crawford, co-founder in All Things, to come out here. Thank you so much to the panelists. Thank you so much to all of you. All that's left from us are some closing words. So a big thanks to our speakers. Big thanks to NYU, a big thanks to everyone in our community who's really backed this effort, offered support and guidance to set up an institute here. I want to also thank the John D. and Catherine T. MacArthur Foundation for their support. Thanks to our whole AI Now team, especially Gretchen Kruger, Casey Golan, Alejandro Calcaño, and a particular thanks to Varun Mather for his amazing work on that visualization tonight. That was Varun. I also want to thank our first cohort of postdoctoral researchers, Sarah Myers-West, Rule Doby, and Liz Kazunis, and our partners in event production, particularly Emily and Kate and the Good Sense team, Chris Wong and his team at Objectively, and the NYU facilities team. We are really grateful as well to the volunteers and friends and everyone who helped and contributed so much energy and enthusiasm and made this happen. And finally, a colossal, massive, just a huge hyperbolic word of thanks to our Director of Operations, our lead producer in everything, Mariah Peebles. We couldn't do any of this without you.
I'm also going to throw in just a final thanks to Meredith for being amazing and for being an extraordinary person to do this work with. But actually the final thanks is going to go to you, because this year has thrown us some pretty dystopian visions, but we also see this enormous potential for action and reflection and change. And this community here in this room and on the live stream, you actually have a really powerful role to play right now. So stay in touch, we're on the Twitters, we have old school mailing list, but basically it's events like this that really inspire us. So thank you for being part of it, and have a great night.